Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the EBL 5 volts 2A 2 amperes fast charger. And I have to tell you, I wasn't really sure how big it is, but it's actually smaller than I've expected, and it's really easy to carry with you, especially if you go camping. So you get a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is really good. You get some instructions, which I will let you read in your own time. But look how tiny it is. So that's for these are both separate. That's EBL to 8000 milliampere AA 4 batteries. Look how big it is. Yeah, so let's quickly test it. I already have a USB-C cable around that I could use, and we'll use this okay, so it has a screen which will indicate how fast it's charging. One thing I forgot to mention is that this can charge all these type of batteries. So 1.2 volts Ni MH Ni CD battery, AA, AAA, 1.5 Leon battery, and AA, AAA. So yeah, if you charge other types of batteries, may explode. Let me just double check one more time. I think we're good, so let's just try. As you can see, it's charging, and what's nice, it's kind of shows you how much is, I think maybe. So you see, these are not as discharged as these two ones. Those are actually quite low. So yeah, really simple device that will allow you to charge batteries on the go. You can charge the AAAs and other batteries, and I would definitely recommend you having one of these because especially when you travel, the batteries, they stay safe inside, and yeah, you can find them everywhere to buy. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This is the review of the EBL. Let's see if it's called in any specific way. LCD smart battery charger. Very useful device to have, especially if you're using rechargeable batteries. Thank you for watching.